Okay, let's do the Thobela FM Gospel Festival again, guys. Let's see what happens now. Whew. Okay, can't I put this thing somewhere down so that I can be able to talk? Hi guys. Okay, so last time I was here, I was actually announcing that I was gonna give away 2 tickets for someone to come and join me for the Gospel Festival. So it happened that I am actually getting more requests, so it's like a lot of people want these tickets. So as a result, I decided that I was going to invite a few of my friends to come on board so that we can buy more people. We were able to raise 5 tickets, so I'm continuing with this. We'll announce the winner on Thursday morning, so from now until then we'll still be running this thing. Anyone who wants to give me 250 for me to buy my fans tickets, please do so. So we're gonna announce the winners on Thursday morning. So what was gonna happen, regular ticket, I knew people will come and send regular, we wanna buy some people. I didn't so this was gonna happen. My picture as your profile pictures. What you need to do is just to go and write on your status the reason why you would want. Honestly, I mean, I have more people than I anticipated, so I have to make sure that I give this to the best people that deserves it, as much as I know everybody does, but I cannot cater for everyone. So go to the Instagram or whatever social media that you have, and just make sure that you write the reason why you have to have the ticket, and make sure you hashtag give Lejoy 250. So I'm gonna be calling out names in these videos of my friends that I'm gonna ask them to give me 250 so that I can buy more people tickets. So I guess I'm gonna make sure that we have more tickets. And how I'm gonna run it is that I'm gonna ask my friends and people I respect and people I know, and people that I have come in contact with to help me in buying more people tickets. I think I did not anticipate so much response of people who are saying would love to come and want to come. So as a result, I need to do more. I feel like I can do more. So get on this video so that they can help me buy. So it's hashtag give Lejoy 250. Hashtag give Lejoy 250. Remember, when you write on your status about and use this hashtag, it will help us to identify you. It will really help us to identify the minute you say hashtag give Lejoy 250, then we will be able to identify you with a hashtag, and that way it will be very much easy for us to pick you up, and maybe you could be the winner. So far we have 5 tickets that we can give away. I'm gonna ask the following people or I'm paid 250 so that I can buy more people. So the first one, let me see, says Penny Libiani. Says Penny, ke khopela 250, ke rekele one of my people a ticket. Let's see who else. Clement. Yeah, umshimane aka ke says Letabo. Says Letabo khopela 250 papa. Pay 250 ke khone go reka ticket, ke rekele batho ba ka ticket. Who else? Erike bona. Malumi Willy. Yeah, Malumi Willy wa Leboa Funerals. Ke khopela 250 Malumi Willy tlhelena. Ke khone go rekela batho ticket. Se Simpho Ramabi lo ena ke khopela 250 ke rekele batho ticket. Ke mango mongo ke mo gopolang. Let me see. Lebos Thobela. My friend, are ke khopela 250 ke nyoko reka ticket. Let's see who else. Mopedi. Yeah, Mopedi ke khopela 250 ke nyoko rekela batho ba ka ticket. Let me see, who am I calling again? Come on. Sebasa Mogale. Yes, Sebasa Mogale. Ke khopela 250 lo ena ke khone go rekela batho ticket. DJ Boeli You my buddy, man. How can I leave you out? Let's do this. Ke gopela 250 lo wena unthushe go reka ticket. Let me see. Magofe ba o bitsa charity ko scheme sam. Buddy, o mogotsa ka re gopela 250. Ke reke ticket. Who else? Who else? Ke nyoko nagana gape. Ke nagane Dr. Dumi. Yeah, I ke gopela Dr. Dumi 250 le ena ke chomi yaka o tswa le nna gae ke mokaya 250 fela wa bona. Yeah, ke mangwe mongwe nka mo gopelang. Ke gopele the CEO ya Tourism Limpopo Sonto ke a gopela tle ke gopela 250 ke nyaka go rekela batho ditekete. These are people who are not working and they would like to come and have fun with us. Ke gopela 250. Who else can I put on there? Ke mangwe mongwe o ke mang Kumo. Kumo, my friend, hi. Ke gopela 250. Ke a tseba gore wa ija gotlhe fa mo nyakang ke a gopela. And let me also say 250 ke a go gopela. Mphe ba re ke gopela le Skhumbuzo Mbatha. SK Skhumbuzo just took me out for lunch last week, guys, and ke jele tšhelete nngwe ntšhi hampe, so I don't know if Skhumbuzo would, but Ramukhuza vele mphe maina batho ba bangwe ba swantse ke ba gopela. Hello Pitsi, o nyaka re fa 250, re fa 250 lo wena Pitsi, re fa 250 re rekele motho tekete please.
Maliko aba
ke gopela 250.
le nna ke winne ngwaneso.
Lwana winne.
Ya ngwaneso.
Oh, congratulations. Ora re tla bona ka mokibelo ke.
Thank you ngwaneso.
Sharp.
All right.
Yeah, if you nyoko join now ka no tshwana le Pitsi le wena wa join mo lining mara mphe 250 mphe le maina batho ba bangwe ba nka ba gopela 250 gore re gone go make sure gore go ba batho ba ntši ba wina go pela ga botse gore it thomile only with 2 tickets. Now we are on 5, so we can still raise more. We still have like 2 days to go. The winner di tla tsebega on Thursday. I will announce on Thursday. So what you have to do for the competition, repeat gape, you put my profile picture, yes mine, my profile picture as your profile picture on social medias, all social medias. And what you do, you write as to why, basically, okay, I'm going to accept you as well. And you write as to why you would actually want to win the tickets. And after that, here's the thing. You're going to make sure that you use the hashtag give Lejoy 250. Just write it that way. Give Lejoy 250. Gopela Isaac Masila lo ena ba re go gopela 250. Re gopela di 250 batho ba modimo 250 ha se ntse ba bang tsheba lena ke a tsora le di ja ka letšatši, so 250 so that I can help more people. Ke ska ba le batho ba te fela ke ska ba, you know, so let's do this. Ke gopela Opa Asifa Shaba, many years ago in 2008, I worked with you, Capricorn FM. So, Arbon, Ngaya 250. Listen, Tubato Sale. Asifa Shaba. Ashi Ntwela, ke gopela 250. Ke rekela batho ticket. Ya go ya Gospel Festival ya Thobela FM. This is a good one. I like this. I flipping like this. Like, ke gopela batho ba 250 to actually go and help out in making sure that people come to the gospel festival. Yeah. So yeah, if you have a 250 to give me, you can do that. Then the winners will know on Thursday, and then nake tlo ba fa jona di ticket tsa bona personally. A go rumeletsa nna go fa yona ticket personally. So it's selfie time. We're gonna have fun, man. We're gonna have fun. Ekele fa di ticket, we're gonna have so much fun. Skhumbuzo tshetse re mo gopetse Eunice, so I'm sure he will come to the party. Ke motho wa ka o tla re fa 250. Maybe if we like ya ka re fa le more, who knows. But anyway, so if you want to win a ticket, put my picture as your profile picture. From there, make sure that you write why when in of all people. Don't forget to use the hashtag give Lejoy 250. Let's do this. Let's see who can win. Let's see if we can have fun on Saturday. So this is gonna be amazing, guys. Thank you so much for following me. Thank you so much for being part of everything I do. I see your comments every day. I see your love. I receive it, and I love you as much. And that's why let me give back whichever way I can. Ke a tseba gore nka se di kgone ka moka eupša go bitša batho ba ke ba kgopela gore ba nthushe. That's the only way. And Thabiseng Boya le wena ke kgopela 250. Lerato la ka la tlhoko la tsela ke kgopela 250. Ke mang o mongwe ba re ke kgopele le premier wa Limpopo gape le ntse ntšha ka ra mathata le mo premier ntate chupu re kgopela 250 re rekele ba bangwe di ticket ke kgopele le oh my god ke kgopele le 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 ntse ntšha mathateng la tseba yeah okay a re tlogeleng gona mo I gotta go guys re tla bolela re tla bona gore go diragalang from here but the few names that I have called on ke tla dira di follow ups and see if they can't give me 250 and we see how far we can go with this. I'm hoping for more wins ka Thursday, so it's not only going to be one person, two people. It looks like already we are moving and we are pushing, so it's going to be a lovely day ka Saturday. I can't wait to be with you all. I can't wait to see you. Gospel Festival Thobela FM. Mushate.